Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm back again with another video, and today I'm gonna be installing this eBay lip on my Mazda Miata ND. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering, Jermaine, why are you installing such a cheap lip? Well, first of all, I am broke, and second of all, I'm gonna become a stance boy. Alright, so if I messed up this lip, it won't hurt me as much because this lip is only $90. So this lip is under $100, and this is the best looking lip that is under $100. I don't want to be buying like a $500 lip and just like mess it up. And the reason why I'm going like with the stance boy life is because when I used to have my FRS and my 350Z, I have too many tickets. So you know, let's hop into the install. So to install this lip or splitter, you guys have to take the stock splitter lip out first, which is same thing on the other side. If you come underneath here, you will see that there is 4 of these rivets. So you have to take these off first before you can install the lip. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you guys need to do is get a flathead and then a 8mm. What you guys need to do first is take off this clip, this 8mm bolt, and then this bolt right here, and then this bolt right here. After that, you guys should take these rivets out. Alright guys, so what is next? It is that you gotta get the flathead, and then you just gotta like twist it. Like, don't be afraid to like break it or anything. It's not gonna break. You're just gonna break the rivet. So stick it in hard, and then just kind of twist it. Play around with it. It may seem like you're feeling like you're breaking your bumper, but you're actually not. You're just breaking the rivets. So as you guys can see, it's very loose now. It's completely broken off now. And then you take it off, and then you go on the inside here, and then you just push this up right here, and then boom, this thing should come out. And then you just repeat on all of these 4. And that's pretty much it to take out the rivet. So when you finally take off all of the 4 rivets, it should look like this, and then you're gonna have to come to the side, and then there should be 2 of these clips on the side of right here, which you have to take it off. And then what you want to do next is just kind of like pull this like this, and then there should be another rivets right here. And then what you want to do is just kind of like bend it for it to come out. This one is like a little bit hard to come out, but all you gotta do is just kind of bend it, and then it'll just come out. So this is how you take off the OEM lip or splitter. The challenging part is to take off these rivets. At first I thought that you had to drill them, but you don't even need to drill them. You just need a flathead, and then just twist these out, and then it should all come out. Alright guys, so the next step is to clean your bumper with alcohol and water. Do the same thing, clean it with your lip, and then I'm gonna put 3M tape on it and then drill. So in case if you guys are wondering what size of nuts and bolts I'm gonna use, it is gonna be the 5x16 inch. This is just the washer, but I recommend using washer too. So yeah, so if you guys are wondering, I'm gonna use the 5x16 inch. Alright guys, so forward on to the next day. So I was installing this by myself, so I didn't really got the chance to like record it, but overall the fitment is 10 out of 10 perfect. The fitment is good if you install it correctly. So pretty much what you gotta do is just drill like holes. So technically there is 4 bolts on this side, 1 bolt in the middle, and then 4 bolts on this side, which I'll show you guys right now. So as you guys can see, there's 1 bolt right here, which like you just drill it to right here. So if the car's like this, you just drill it to the side right here, and then there should be 1 more right here. You drill 1 to like right here, and then there's 1 bolt and then 2 bolt right here on the passenger side, and then 1 bolt right here in the middle. Coming onto this side, it's pretty much the same thing as the passenger side. So 2 bolts on the side and then 2 bolts under there, and then this should be good. So one of my recommendation is to not use 3M tape, because as you guys can see, I use 3M tape so it doesn't sit that flush to the car. And then as you guys can see from this one, I didn't use any 3M tape, and it sits pretty flush. So you know, if you guys want to be extra secure, you guys can use 3M tape, but I feel like the bolt is already strong enough. So you guys are probably wondering, Jermaine, what is this part right here? Like, it looks kind of right. So technically this is from my old Scion FRS. So technically I bought it from a private owner. I thought that it would look kind of good, but I think it looks alright. It's not the best, so I was just testing it out. So if you guys are wondering, I do not know where to get these. I bought it from a private owner when I used to have my Scion FRS. I mean, it don't look too bad. Overall, I am very happy with the progress. If any of you guys are interested in this lip, I'll link it down below. Shipping, it was pretty quick, took like about 4 days. Alright guys, so this will be the end of the video. I hope you guys did got something from this video, and if you guys did like it or it did help any of you guys, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Now consider checking out my channel if you're new. Subscribe if you're new. And also I will be posting a lot about this Mazda Miata ND2 because I recently just bought it, in case if you don't know. Alright, anyways, I'll catch you guys on another video. So dream big and inspired.
I need it.